What book should I read today? Today, it's a construction vehicle book. Ah, what's happening?
Candyko's Puzzle Adventure Construction Vehicle.
Ah! Huh? Where am I? Is this a construction site? But where are all the construction vehicles that should be working here? And where's my book? Huh? It's a map. There's the book over there. If I follow this path, I might find the book. All right then, let's go.
Candyko! Candyko!
Oh, you guys are construction vehicles, right? Why aren't you working and just standing still? There's a ton of work to do here at the construction site.
We need your help. We've run out of fuel, so we can't work. We need to finish before the sun sets.
I see. Everyone, let's help out our construction vehicle friends.
Help!
Excavator.
Great job! Let's try again.
I'm feeling energized. Crane.
Correct!
Power up!
Dump truck.
Perfect! Let's try again.
All right, let's get back to work.
Road roller.
Great job!
Energy fully charged.
Truck mixer.
Awesome! Hey guys, are you feeling energized now?
Yeah, thanks so much, Candyko.
Thank goodness! Stage 1, clear! Let's move on to the next stage. According to the map, we should go this way, but we can't pass because of the rocks. What should we do?
I'll help you, Candyko.
Huh? Who are you?
I'm an excavator. Can you please fix me? Then I'll clear all the rocks.
Okay, I'll help you. Will you guys join me in helping the excavator? Take a close look at the shapes. Perfect!
Excavator.
Thank you all for helping out.
Ha ha ha! I'm an excavator. I'll clear all the rocks as promised.
Wow, thank you so much. Stage 2, clear. Wow, we're almost there. Look, there's the book over there. But how do we get there? There are too many obstacles in the way.
Don't worry.
worry, Candyko. We'll help you.
Really? Great! Can you guys help out too? Oh no, there's a shabby building blocking the way. What construction vehicle do we need to tear it down?
Wrecking ball crane. Leave it to me. Ho, ho, ho!
Woohoo! Now there's a pile of branches. What should we do? Let's try again.
Claw excavator.
Lifting with my big claw. Heave-ho!
Cool! It's a big hole. I can't pass by it at all. What construction vehicle do we need to help us? Let's try again.
Truck mixer. I'll fill in the hole so you can cross. Glug, glug, glug.
Woohoo! Oh no, the road is too bumpy. What construction vehicle do we need to help us?
Road roller.
Rolling, rolling, pressing, pressing. Ha!
Thank you! Oh no! My book is under that rock! We don't have much time left. Let's hurry!
Excavator breaker.
Break the rocks. Hi-ya! Ha! Ha! Ha!
Awesome! Stage 3 clear! Thank you so much, everyone! Wow, it's my book! Ah! Oh, wow, I'm back in my room! That was an incredible adventure! What book should I try reading next? Click here and subscribe!